everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick video of a box of plants that I got. I ordered for the first time from a company called the Plant Canopy. So I'm going to just show you a couple of shots of what's in my box and my first impressions of everything. All right, here is the box. There's a company name. And inside the box, you can see we have some of the, I think these are the starch fiber fill things that they put in for cushioning. And then it looks like they packed each plant in its own little separate baggie, which is great. All right, so I'm gonna pull these out and show you. Variegation on the outside, and so this is a nice full plant. So this is great. Okay, finally I have it undone. This is the Hoya rotundiflora with the cute little oblong sort of squared off leaves. All right, I got all the fluff off and the tape, and it is a pretty good size. I take back what I was saying before. I see that there were some leaves underneath the fiber fill, so this is a very good size specimen, I think, for the price, because this plant has come down a lot in price. And look at the little baby leaves. This plant, they packed this very, very well. So this is the Hoya rotundiflora. So this is the Hoya parviflora splash. All right, got it fully unwrapped. And this is a beautiful plant. Look how full it is. And it's trailing. It has multiple growth points and new leaves. And the splash is just gorgeous. I'm not sure if this is a type of lacunosa, like in the same family. I'm gonna have to look that up to see what the bloom looks like, but it to me is gorgeous. So this one was $24.99. I think that's not bad for this size. It's an uncommon Hoya for that size. This is the tag. Oh my gosh. Look at this plant. This is so beautiful. Okay, let me be careful because I'm so excited. I don't want to rip anything off. Got it out. So this is the Hoya globulosa. It has a fuzzy stem, and it has, oh my gosh, it's so fuzzy underneath. Oh my gosh, I wish you could feel it. This is a great plant. I'm so happy with my order. I'm so happy. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, people, if you don't have a globulosa, please get one. This thing, it's almost like having another pet. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, this unboxing, and maybe you'd like to check out this company, Canopy Plant Company. From what I have ordered, I'm very pleased, and I'm thinking that I will be ordering from them again. So yeah, check out their company because it seems like they have really good quality and nice size plants for a good value. And no, they did not sponsor this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.